Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Teams and going straight to the item you want to share. A chat, channel post, file, or meeting. Once there, click the More Options menu, the three dots, and pick Get Link or Copy Link. Make sure you note the link type because channel links, meeting links, and file links behave differently. After you select the correct option, copy the link to your clipboard so you can paste it where you need it next. Once you have the link, check permissions. File links rely on OneDrive or SharePoint settings, so make sure recipients have access. Then paste the link into a Teams message or channel post and add a short context line so people know why they should click. If it's important, mention individuals or a group to send a notification. You can also format link text using the message editor to keep the post tidy and make the destination clear. This improves click rates and reduces confusion. Finish by sending the message and then verify the link works for at least one recipient, ask them to open it, and confirm access. If someone sees an access denied error, make sure you adjust the file's SharePoint/OneDrive permissions or explicitly share the item with those people, and consider adding external users as guests if needed. If problems persist, test the link in a private browser window or from a different account to isolate permission issues, and then update sharing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.